Texture medium and Aquapasto are two of the most unique mediums because they create texture. And that's not something that's usually associated with watercolor. And they tend to be favored by artists who want to get much more experimental with their watercolor paintings. Texture medium can be used to add fine texture to your surface and to your paintings. So I have some here in our little ceramic dish, but I'll pour a little bit more in there just so you can see that. And over here, outlined in pencil, just to show you where it is on the paper, I've already got a ground of the texture medium down, so I'm just going to take some color here, and obviously you can use any color really, but this is transparent orange, and I love this color so much. It's got this beautiful burnt orange look to it, and when we take it across the surface, we're getting that texture right in here. It's picking up these little rough surfaces. And if I take my brush and I just off to the side, I'll kind of tap it on my towel, and we can get, I'm going to do that again too. I want to get a little bit more dry brush. Yeah, you can really see that texture pull out right there. That really color's hitting those high spots. Now what we can also do is we can take our color and we can mix it right in with the texture medium as well. So if you want to put it down on the paper first, it might be nice if you were doing something like a beach scene. You can actually see here, the way I've done that with dry brush almost looks like that could be a beach and that could be the sky up there. So you can do that, or you can work straight on the paper with both texture medium and the color mixed together. Aquapasto is a translucent gel medium, so we'll put a little bit of this out here. It's going to thicken and reduce the flow of watercolors. And when you put that out, I think right away you see that is one of the most unique mediums, because we don't think of impasto effects, which you can get with Aquapasto, as something that occurs with watercolor. So I'm taking some of my transparent orange and I'm just going to kind of put that off to the side. And another thing you absolutely don't associate with watercolor is a palette knife, but I'm going to work that Aquapasto into that transparent orange. So this is going to be for somebody who really wants to push their creativity with watercolor and do something a lot different, very non-traditional. And it's going to increase gloss as well. So I can have that layer down, I could dig away. Even those first marks we have, it almost has a little bit of a masking effect there, although that's not what I would be using it for. And then I can take the palette knife, dig marks into it, and get ridges as well. So really treating watercolor, again, in a very, very non-traditional way.